If you are using multiple panels on a site, or you have a site where panels need to be networked together, you will need to change the panel's node numbers to give each panel its own unique number. All panels' default node number is set to number 1. You can see the panel node number here. To change the panel node number, you will need to be logged into the panel using an installation code. To log into the panel as an installer, press F4 to select the main menu. Using the jog dial, turn the dial and select a user, which has the installer credentials. Now press the jog dial to scroll down to the password option. Using the jog dial, select the correct password for the user. To do this, simply turn the jog dial to select the correct number. And by pressing the jog dial will move the cursor to the next digit. Now press the jog dial or F4 to enter into the installer menu. Using the jog dial, select panel setup, then press the jog dial. Now press the button again to select ID configuration. Using the jog dial, change the panel ID to the node number that you want the panel to be. Pressing the jog dial will move the cursor one step over to the right. For this example, I will change my node number from node 1 to node 3. Once you have finished, press F4 to select enter, then press F1 to select back. To complete the process, press F3 to apply your new configuration. You can see that the panel node number is now node 3.